Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about an African recipe for weight loss, and we use this tropical fruit that you already know is a pineapple. But for this weight loss beverage, we need to wash the skin of the pineapple properly to get rid of any dirt or toxins. So you can use apple cider vinegar or baking soda or lemon or lime. I'm going to wash the skin using 1 teaspoon of baking soda, as you see me measure. So I wash the skin properly, and then in a second I will use half of a lime, fresh lime, to wash it again, because we're going to need the skin of the pineapple for this African weight loss diet. So I wash it again because it's very, very important. I can't stress enough. So once we finish washing, we're going to start cutting the pineapple for the pot I just showed you. So I cut it generously because I need the skin to have also some of the flesh, the pineapple flesh. So I cut it like so, and then we'll also need the pineapple itself for this weight loss recipe. So what I do is I split the pineapple in 4, as you can see, and in a second I will be telling you the health benefit of pineapple in losing weight. So I cut the hard middle of the pineapple as you're supposed to, because it's not really edible, is really hard, so I'm going to add it to the pot later. So here I'm cutting the pineapple into pieces. So for this weight loss diet, you're supposed to eat the pineapple itself along with the beverage I'm going to show you in a second. So we put the skin into the pot like so, and then I use the skin of the lime to add to it. It's optional, you can choose to skip it. And also, instead of the lime, you can use lemon. So add water to the pot, and once it's done, it looks like this, and you can bring it to boil. So for this recipe, you need 1 cup of pineapple and 1 cup of tea before every light meal. So 30 minutes before every light meal, you need this. But in the morning, preferably, don't eat anything. Just eat the pineapple itself and drink the tea that we are making right now. So why is pineapple and all that we are making so good for weight loss? Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, and bromelain is an enzyme that helps with your digestive system. It's really low. Pineapple is really low in calorie and low in energy density. It helps your digestive system break down and assimilate protein, and also this juice that we are making, this beverage, helps in alkalizing your body. So what does it do? It assists your body in removing acid buildup from fat you've been storing in your body, and by doing so it gets rid of the fat as well. This is a very old recipe from my country, which is West Africa. So this recipe is a must. So for it to be really efficient for you, please have the flesh of the pineapple along with the tea. If you don't like hot tea, you can make this into any cold beverage, iced tea, you have the choice. What is very important is the pineapple itself. So pineapple is very rich in vitamin C, and we all know vitamin C helps in speeding up your body metabolism. It really helps you lose weight. And also, in a medical view, pineapple is very rich in fiber. It helps you lose weight as it lowers your blood cholesterol and control your blood sugar. It helps you feel fuller, and also is high in water content. So this will always alkalize your body. So follow this recipe. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to comment. I will always respond back. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.